Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best purple flower headband available on the market, the Love Sweety Women Flower Headband. If you're looking to add a touch of elegance and charm to your special day, whether it's for a wedding, baby shower, birthday, or a costume event, this stunning floral crown wreath could be the perfect accessory for you. This handmade flower headband offers a delicate, boho-inspired design that exudes sophistication. Crafted with soft fabric flowers in a beautiful shade of purple, it provides a lovely, natural look without being too overwhelming. What makes this product stand out is the fact that it's fully adjustable. Thanks to the ribbon design, the headband fits most head sizes comfortably, ensuring that it stays securely in place all day long without any discomfort. The Love Sweety Flower Headband is designed to complement a variety of occasions, from intimate weddings to fun photoshoots, or even casual gatherings. It's perfect for anyone who wants to embrace the bohemian vibe or add a floral touch to their attire. Not only is it beautiful, but it's incredibly lightweight, which adds to the overall comfort. When you receive this floral crown, you'll notice the high quality of the materials used. Each flower is carefully arranged by hand, making every piece unique. It's a versatile accessory that can be styled with many outfits, bringing out the best of any look, from a casual sundress to a glamorous bridal gown. The adjustable ribbons ensure that you don't need to worry about a tight fit or an uncomfortable headband. Plus, the softness of the fabric flowers makes it feel as though you're wearing a crown made of nature itself. Overall, the Love Sweety Women Flower Headband is not only stylish and beautiful but also incredibly practical. Its versatility, comfort, and quality make it the best purple flower headband for anyone looking to add a little extra magic to their outfit. So, if you're planning a special event or simply want to add a boho chic vibe to your everyday look, this headband is a must-have. Don't miss out on the chance to wear this stunning purple flower crown that will make you feel like royalty. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.